Okay, so this app is called Superimpose, and right now I'm just masking the background of this picture to make it into PNG. All you need to do is go to Max and choose brush, or if the background color is only one color like this, you can use magic brush, and it took me about 5 minutes long.
He got me feeling anxious, I like that. Indifference that won't get me down.
Your chic style turns me on. Don't even gotta try to.
So after you finish masking, just go to home and then save and max as PNG. The first thing to do is open the app and then click square and then upload your image.
When you go, who you're trying to fool now?
And then click the second brush and start outlining the important part of the faces, that strong part. You know what I mean, right? Just keep watching this video and you know what I'm talking about after that. So at first I wanted to make it like as simple as I can, but it turns out I really enjoy to draw, and then I make the pictures more complicated to me.
I keep thinking something changed. There's no turning back, it'll never be the same.
I think you already know that. I hope that you won't change your mind in the end. That's right, 'cause I never lost a game, not even once. Going for the win, I said it's hard. Don't try to stop me, I'm not slowing down.
Follow me, I got you now. Underneath my spell, soon you'll go. Who you're trying to fool now? I'll bet you anything you want.
Go real slow, don't come so fast. Where's the fun in that?
Say love, you'll beg for some mercy. You'll beg for some mercy.
I'ma take this bad girl down.
I know this might be confusing, a puzzle you can't figure out. There's nowhere to go, no way to get out, and all you can do is take it slow.
The answer is that it's our turn, so follow me as we go.
'Cause I chose you.
I choose you again, I choose you again.
Stay with me.
Follow me,
I got you now. Underneath my spell, soon you'll go. Who you're trying to fool now? I'll bet you anything you want.
Go real slow, don't come so fast. Where's the fun in that?
Say love, you'll beg for some mercy. I'ma take this bad boy down. Who that boy? Standing in the crowd, he's all I see. He got me feeling anxious, I like that. Indifference that won't get me down.
Your chic style turns me on. Don't even gotta try too hard, you step it up. You're acting like you don't care, I like that. I'm quickly drawn into you, girl.
Somehow, when you are around, you make me smile. I'm getting deep and deeper in this trance that has me burning up all day and night.
Follow me, I got you now.
Underneath my spell, soon you'll go. Who you're trying to fool now? I'll bet you anything you want.
Go real slow, don't come so fast. Where's the fun in that?
Say love, you'll beg for some mercy. I'ma take this bad boy down. I'ma take this bad boy down. got some things I wanna say to you. Listen to my voice, so hypnotic, it's just me and you.
Oh, just focus on me right now. Don't make me repeat myself, baby.
I keep thinking something changed. There's no turning back, it'll never be the same.
I think you already know that. I hope that you won't change your mind in the end. That's right, 'cause I never lost a game, not even once. Going for the win, I said it's hard. Don't try to stop me, I'm not slowing down.
Follow me, I got you now. Underneath my spell, soon you'll go. Who you're trying to fool now? I'll bet you anything you want. Go real slow, don't come so fast. Where's the fun in that? Say love, you'll beg for some mercy.
I'ma take this bad girl down.
I know this might be confusing, a puzzle you can't figure out. There's nowhere to go, no way to get out, and all you can do is take it slow.
The answer is that it's our turn, so follow me as we go.
'Cause I chose you,
I choose you again, I choose you again.
stay with me. Follow me, I got you now. Underneath my spell, soon you'll go.